Sanam. This is a meditation or kriya for self-control. Self-control. This is a powerful kriya. Move rhythmically, move systematically, intentionally, and powerfully so that disease can move through your blood and get out. And through your breath. Pay attention, meditate on your breath. That alone can do more than movement. In this meditation, we are revibrating and reshaping our whole being. Yes. Don't lose courage. Test your grit and give it your all. I believe in you. Before we begin the meditation, we will start by tuning in with the Adi mantra. That's Om Namo Gurudev Namo. I bow to the creative wisdom. I bow to the divine teacher within. This is just a way that we tune ourselves with the divine and tune into the golden chain, to the teachers that come before us. It's also a way that we bow and show reverence. Bring your hands together, rub them, get the energy flowing. Bring the thumbs into the sternum and hold prayer pose. Close your eyes if you feel led to and inhale. And exhale. And we'll inhale to tune in. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. And inhale. Set your intention, your dedication, your determination for this practice to give it your all. And exhale. Relax. Part 1. Cross your barrier. Sit with a straight spine in a cross-legged position. Lock your hands in bear grip. Your right hand will be facing your head and the left hand will be facing out. Put the bear grip in front of your forehead. The elbows will be out to the side. Make an O shape of your mouth and inhale through the mouth and raise the hands, straightening the arms above the head. Exhale through the nose and return to the starting position. Close your eyes and meditate on the sound of your breath. Continue for 3 minutes. Ekar satinam kata prigni brone vera kamurit ajuni saibam kri prasaja asach jugat sach have sach naniko zebe sach Ekar satinam kata prigni brone vera kamurit ajuni saibam kri prasaja asach jugat sach have sach Naniko zebe sach Ekar satinam kata prigni brone vera kamurit ajuni saibam kri prasaja asach jugat sach have sach Naniko zebe sach Ekar satinam kata prigni brone vera kamurit ajuni saibam bang guru prasad jap ad sach jugat sach have sach nanak hoze sach ek onkar satnam kata pranibho nirvera kamarit ajuni sai bang guru prasad jap ad sach jugat sach have sach nanak hoze sach ek onkar satnam kata pranibho nirvera kamarit ajuni sai bang guru prasad jap ad sach jugat sach have sach nanak hoze sach ek onkar satnam kata pranibho nirvera kamarit ajuni sai bang guru prasad jap ad sach jugat sach have sach nanak hoze sach ek onkar satnam kata pranibho nirvera kamarit ajuni sai bang guru prasad jap ad sach jugat sach have sach nanak hoze sach ek onkar satnam kata pranibho nirvera kamarit ajuni sai bang guru prasad. Inhale deeply. Stretch the hands up over the head and lengthen the spine. Hold it and cannon fire exhale through the mouth. Relax. Shiva Shakti Kriya. Anytime you do this exercise, it will energize you and your physical health. You'll start by bringing the hands together in front of the mouth in Lotus Bud Mudra. The fingertips and the base of the hands are touching, creating a ball shape. The thumbs are also together. The elbows are relaxed down, and you'll make an O of the mouth and inhale and exhale through the mouth. On the inhale, the thumbs, the lingam, represented as the male organ, go inside the space in between the hands, which is represented as the yoni, the female organ. Exhale and extend the thumbs toward the mouth. Continue this for 3 minutes. Ek onkar satnam kata pranibho nirvera kamarit ajuni sai bang guru prasad jap ad sach jugat sach have sach nanak hoze sach ek onkar satnam kata pranibho nirvera kamarit ajuni sai bang guru prasad jap ad sach jugat sach have sach nanak hoze sach ek onkar satnam kata pranibho nirvera kamarit ajuni sai bang guru prasad jap ad sach jugat sach have sach nanak hoze sach ek onkar satnam kata pranibho nirvera kamarit ajuni sai bang guru prasad jap ad sach jugat sach have sach nanak hoze sach ek onkar satnam kata pranibho nirvera kamarit ajuni sai bang guru prasad jap ad sach jugat sach have sach nanak hoze sach ek onkar satnam kata pranibho nirvera kamarit ajuni sai bang guru prasad jap ad sach jugat sach have sach nanak hoze sach ek onkar satnam kata pranibho nirvera kamarit ajuni sai bang guru prasad jap ad sach jugat sach have sach nanak hoze sach ek onkar satnam kata pranibho nirvera prasad jap ad sach jugat sach have sach nanak hoze sach ek onkar satnam khata parignibho nirvera kamurit ajuni saibam guru prasad jap ad sach jugat sach have sach nanak hoze sach ek onkar satnam khata parignibho nirvera kamurit. Inhale, hold, and exhale. Relax. Part 3. Recharge. In this next exercise, you'll raise both arms to 60 degrees perfectly with no bend in the elbow. Palms are faced forward and the fingers are spread open and tight like steel. The tighter the fingers are, the more perfectly the energy will prevail and circulate. Make an O of your mouth and breathe through the mouth with full strength. Receive energy from the heavens and earth to recharge and become strong. Continue for 3 minutes. Ekar Satyanam Kata Prinibho Nirvera Kamurit Ajuni Saibam Guru Prasad Jap Ad Sach Jugat Sach Have Sach Nanak Zebe Sach Ekonkar Satyanam Kata Prinibho Nirvera Kamurit Ajuni Saibam Guru Prasad Jap Ad Sach Jugat Sach Have Sach Nanak Zebe Sach Ekonkar Satyanam Kata Prinibho Nirvera Kamurit Ajuni Saibam Guru Prasad Jap Ad Sach Jugat Sach Have Sach Nanak Zebe Sach Ekonkar Satyanam Kata Prinibho Nirvera Kamurit Ajuni Saibam Guru Prasad Jap Ad Sach Jugat Sach Have Sach Nanak Zebe Sach Ekonkar Satyanam Kata Prinibho Nirvera Kamurit Ajuni Saibam Guru Prasad Jap Ad Sach Jugat Sach Have Sach Nanak Zebe Sach Ekonkar Satyanam Kata Prinibho Nirvera Kamurit Ajuni Saibam Guru Prasad Jap Ad Sach Jugat Sach Have Sach Nanak Zebe Sach Ekonkar Satyanam Kata Prinibho Nirvera Kamurit Ajuni Saibam Guru Prasad Jap Ad Sach Jugat Sach Have Sach Nanak Zebe Sach Ekonkar Satyanam Kata Prinibho Nirvera Kamurit Ajuni Saibam Guru Prasad Jap Ad Sach Jugat Sach Have Sach Nanak Zebe Sach Ekonkar Satyanam Kata Prinibho Nirvera Kamurit Ajuni Saibam Guru Prasad Jap Ad Sach Jugat Sach Have Sach Nanak Zebe Sach Ekonkar Satyanam Kata. Inhale deeply and hold it. Let the breath circulate through your being. And cannon fire exhale through the mouth. Relax. Woo woo! You finished. We as humans need to be in our own control. If you practice these meditations, these kriyas, they will help you. You can do these 3 exercises in bed, upon waking up, and it'll revive and renew you for the whole day. And the whole day you'll be energetic, graceful, renewed, and real. I want to end with a quote. It says, knowledge belongs to those who practice. Lousiness belongs to those who do not. Knowing is not enough. Experience is. And my interpretation of that is you can know that these kriyas can change you. You can know it. But you have to go through it. You have to put it in. What you get in is what you'll get out. So put in the work and your vibration will change. You will experience it. Because you did it. Because you practiced it. And you pat yourself on the back and say, good job. So good job. I love you. May all beings come to know their true selves, their true identity, their sadhana.